I am so craving Ethiopian food right now. But I told myself I'm not gonna eat out anymore. So I'm gonna make it myself. It's gonna be very interesting because I have literally never cooked Ethiopian food in my car before. Normally when you make Ethiopian food, you peel off the tomato, but I really don't mind eating the peel, so I'm just gonna chop it on like that. And they also chop it very fine, but I don't mind it being this chunk. So my pot is already full, but it's gonna cook down, so it should be fine. I'm gonna turn on the stove and then let that cook down while dealing with my potato. I just remember, I almost forgot the garlic. This makes everything so delicious. You see how it has cooked down a little bit? It's still too early to put the potatoes because you really want the onions and the tomatoes to like really cook down. But because I got no time, I'm gonna put it right now. Remembered, I actually have Ethiopian butter. Ethiopian butter is the shit. Ethiopian butter is like a regular butter, but it's a purified butter with a bunch of spice. We literally put that thing in everything and it just make it extra special every time. My mom sent this butter to me like, I don't know, 9-10 months ago, and I still have it because I haven't been cooking much with it. So I'm gonna put that in. That's gonna make it extra special, extra homemade in my mom's touch. How awesome is that? It's starting to smell so good. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is wild. Okay, it's done. Let's eat. If you're wondering what injera looks like, if you have never seen one before, this is injera. This is made out of a grain called teff. Has a lot of iron. That's gonna be my base. Put it like this, and then you add your sauce on top. It took me an hour to make this. I told you it takes longer. So first bite. Oh my god. It's still hot, so I'm not eating the potato yet. But the sauce is so good. Hot. Oh my god, I miss injera so much. There is a thing called gursha. Gursha is when you feed someone. So I can make, this is called, these bites are called gursha. So you can feed this to someone. So I'm telling you this because I'm about to give you gursha.